everyone, my name is Roma and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be trying food from Sharat Takeaway and Catering Services. So guys, I have a lot of food in front of me. Let me start by telling you what all is there on my table. So starting with vada kombda, I have gobi manchurian, fried rice. This is the kombda which comes with the vada. I have prawns curry and I have added my own rice to pair with the prawns curry. And for dessert we have assorted laddu. So guys, this is a catering services that you can order from, and I will put all their details and prices of all these in the description below or also over here. So keep watching the video to know the prices and the details. Alright, let's start eating. Alright, so the first thing that I'm going to try is the vada kombda. It looks so good. Let's take the first bite. The chicken is giving me a good homemade vibe. You know, the chicken shabadi which we make at home is giving me that vibe. And just look at the chicken pieces. In this small bowl I've put around 4 to 5, and in this it has like a lot of pieces. And the vada is also really very well made. The gravy is tasty, flavorful, savory. A good blend of spices. I really like the gravy. It's really good. Alright, let's try a piece of chicken now. Now I'm going to set this aside and move on to the fried rice and the gobi manchurian. So guys, I have nicely served myself the fried rice and the gobi manchurian. Also before eating, I just wanted to let you know that this is what one portion of Sharat Caterers and it looks like. So this is what one portion of fried rice, one portion of prawns curry, and the rice is made by my mom so that I could pair it with the prawns curry. Alright, let's try the fried rice. It's egg fried rice. It has some carrot, it has beans, egg, spring onion. Tasty. Let's try the gobi manchurian. Wow, the gobi manchurian has caramelized onions. They have nicely caramelized the onions till it becomes very soft and tasty caramelized. The gobi manchurian is very nice and soft. The cover it has, it's really very good. I love this gobi manchurian. It's a must try. It's amazing. I'm going to mix both of them and give it a try now. The texture is very good of the gobi manchurian. All of you are going to love this gobi manchurian because I loved it a lot. I literally cannot stop eating, so that's a proof for y'all that you all have to try this out. Alright, let's move on to the prawns curry now. Alright, let's try the prawns curry. First up, my mom's rice. Okay, I can smell hing. It has radish. We call it mura in Konkani. That is a must needed in prawns curry. Yum yum. Okay, let's try it out now. It gives you that homemade vibe, This food doesn't taste like restaurant food, guys. It's like, it gives you that homemade vibe, that feel, that mother's touch. That's what is there in this food. If you want that, you should definitely try this food out. The prawns are small, medium size. You can smell the hing in the prawns curry. It's flavorful. It's very tasty. It's savory, not too spicy. Perfect. All I need is a fried kingfish and I'm done in this. Too good. So guys, I have the menu card over here, which I'm going to add at the end of this video so that you guys can check it out. It says homemade and hygienic. It's true. Also they have fish thali, which includes rice, prawns curry, prawns cutlet, tisri sukha, that is clams, vegetable, sweet dish and pickle. Also their menu has chicken masala, chicken chili, chicken fried rice, biryani, sukha, pakoda, prawns bangan masala, prawns masala, which you can also buy as per kg wise. Then they have chicken shakoti. All of that you can get as portion size also and in kg wise also. Like they do catering services also and they deliver to you also. So here they have mentioned when they deliver and where. So I'm going to mention all of that in the description below. Alright guys, let's move on to the desserts. They also make laddus. I love laddus. Do you love laddus? If yes, leave a like. Let's move on to the dessert. Alright guys, so I'm going to tell you all what type of laddus are there over here. Dry fruit laddu, besan laddu, mugacha laddu, rawacha laddu. Alright, let's start with the dry fruit laddu because I love dry fruits. From outside I can see some sesame seeds, I can see pista, I can see raisins, almonds. Alright, let's try it out. So guys, they have used dates, that is khajur, to combine the laddus, and they are really good. They are healthy in fact. I just don't like raisins. Alright, let's try the besan laddu, which also has raisin in it. The smell of pure ghee. Alright. Melt in the mouth besan laddus. Great job. Let's try the rava laddu. Good. They're good. Actually really like the rava laddus. Alright, and lastly the mugacha laddu. I thought I wouldn't like these laddus, but in fact I really love them. They're really good. So guys, comment down and tell me which laddu is your favorite. I personally love the dry fruit laddu. In fact, all these laddus, they are not very sweet. They just have the right amount of sweetness. Usually some laddus are like extremely sweet. These are not at all like that. They are like normal, good amount of sweetness. I really like them. I would also recommend you guys to try out their food. It's really good. Gives you that homemade vibe, that mom's hand magic. You know what I'm saying? That. And I will put all their details, contact numbers here or in the description below. Make sure you go and order. Also leave a comment saying which dish made your mouth water, which one would you like to try. My favorite out of all this will be the gobi manchurian. It really made its way to my heart. I can say that it's really very well made, like amazingly well made. The onion does that magic and they've really created that magic. I really loved it. Also guys, please do subscribe to my channel so that I can bring such more fun, yummy, mouth watering videos for you guys. Also leave a like, and yes, come back tomorrow for a new fresh video. Bye.